Our designer, Tiffany, she said there's a contest with ProSource, and if you start tagging all of your photos, hashtag Perk Up Your Room, then in October they'll choose a winner, and the grand prize is $10,000. So I've never really entered contests because I kind of think, how are you going to really win out of all these people? But it was worth a shot. So I was in Idaho, and I went through all the photos of the ranch house and started just tagging Perk Up Your Room, and asked my mom and other friends to do it to see if that would help, and that's how I heard about it. The first time I went into the ProSource showroom, I described it as like there's 10 million options, and how are you going to really narrow down what you need? And between the designer and the ProSource showroom people, they, like David said, they can say, oh, we have this style over here, or you want mosaic, here's this, or you want blues, here's this.
You know, there were times Christine could go to ProSource and I wasn't able to go to that meeting. And Ryan at ProSource would always meet the client. He does the same thing that I do. I mean, he gets to know them, know their story. Okay, what do they love? What's their lifestyle like? And he's able to step in and fill that role completely.
It's a collaborative effort, really. Tiffany and or Christine would show me images of some of their inspiration as far as the look that they were going for. And that would allow me to be able to go to some of the products that we have from our suppliers, be able to pull out ideas for them. So it was nice because they were able to give me a really good idea of what look they were going for, but they were flexible enough to be able to go with specific items that we had at the showroom.
So in our master bedroom, we've got large windows, and just kind of keeping the calm and the nature in, we chose a flooring that would not look totally perfect. It's a little bit distressed. And in our master shower, I had been really liking the hexagon tile look, and I didn't know how I could get the hexagon tile look in the shower. And we were all just sitting around actually talking about hexagon tile, and Ryan, the ProSource manager, said, just 1 minute. And he walked away, and I thought, well, where is he going? And he came back with this hexagon mosaic tile, and that's in our shower.
Well, so after picking the floor tile and the wall tile, from that point we needed to pick out a shower pan tile, and we wanted to put in a little bit of a splash of decorative. So what worked out really well is we were able to tie in some of the other elements of the house. We had a whitewash hexagon tile that we used in the mud room and the powder room. And so we were able to use that for the backsplash in the bathroom. And it's kind of a whitewash distressed finish tile.
Well, it was definitely a big project, so I think just having any kind of help was a big deal to us. So we were super appreciative and grateful, and so we're definitely thankful for ProSource helping with the project in such a fun and meaningful way.